What's going on, traders, and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys another powerful strategy. Of course, a breakout strategy that you can use to trade the binary options market. You can use it to trade the forex market. You can use it to trade the crypto market and any market you decide to trade, either the stock market or even US 30 and gold, whatever you are comfortable trading. This strategy can be applicable to nearly everything in the forex market, irrespective of the time frame. So today I'm going to be placing a trade on the Euro US dollar chart, as you can see here, and this is pretty much a breakout or strategy. So if you are not new to the channel, you understand that if we are having an uptrend, we are going to have a breakout trade if we have our resistance trend line broken. So guys, welcome to this video, and do it to watch the entire video so you don't miss out. And if you have any questions at the end of this session, do it to drop them in the comment section. I'm very good at replying to any question you have in regards to binary options, in regards to forex trading, in regards to crypto, or whatever trading concern you may have. So if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sections. So the first thing we do is, mind you, let's get started. So the first thing we do is to try to analyze the chart to see the direction of the trend. So if you look clearly without no doubt, you will see that this is a very smooth uptrend situation because we are having the price move in a very sharp momentum and the buyers are quite in charge of the price. So at this type of market condition, we can say that it is a very strong uptrend. This is a previous high that has been broken by the price. You can see that the price has broken this high, and we cannot consider this to be a very strong uptrend situation because we are having the price move in a very sharp momentum in favor of the buyers. The next thing we'll be looking at is the retracement of the price. We need the price to fall down, for some time. Since we are having the price move in this type of in the fast pace like this, we are not going to jump into a trade just yet. We need to wait to see that the price cool off for some time. That means we are going to wait to have a retracement phase to be able to see if we can have a trading opportunity or not. If we don't have any of these criteria, then we are not going to trade this type of market condition. So this is a strong uptrend situation, and we need to wait to see the price retrace back to at least create a pattern that we can consider to be a retracement, and then we can look for a chance to enter into a trade. Since this is a very strong uptrend situation, as you can see, and we don't have any of the retracement just yet, we need to wait to see the price hit maybe a strong level in the future. And then if we have the price hit that level, of course we need to see that the price will begin to at least fall back a little bit. We don't have any strong level present on this chart, but I'm very sure that if the price move a little bit, there will be a time that the price should at least retrace back to create to retrace back, and that phases will be the rest phase, and that's the only when we will be looking to enter into a trade, because those are the brightest and the best trade opportunity you are going to find if you are having an option situation. So since we are yet to have that retracement phase, the only thing we can do now is to wait to see those retracement phases coming, and we can see the pattern forming very sharply. Then we can consider to enter into a trade. What I'm looking at is a retracement, a minor downtrend that will be a little bit opposite of this original uptrend situation. We need to have a retracement phase, something that will look like this. So since we don't have it yet, we'll wait to see when we have this condition in our favor, and then we're going to see if we can enter into a trade in this condition or not. So let's wait. So guys, the price has broken this obvious higher low swing. As you can see on this level, you can see that the price has broken this obvious higher low swing. You can see on this level, and this is a sign that the retracement phases are coming, and we can expect the price to continue to fall down a little bit in favor of the sellers, and then we can look to have a potential entry if we can be able to draw a strong resistance trend line on the resistance level, as you can see over here. So we'll continue to wait to see these phases happening, and then we'll look to see how we can draw a trend line on this level. As it is right now, I think there is no way we can draw a trend line now, but if we can draw a trend line, we'll be able to draw that in a few minutes from now. If we can draw that trend line, then we'll be looking to enter into a trade in the future. So let's continue to wait. So guys, as you can see, retracement phases are happening very strongly, and we can see that the price has cooled off very, very well right now. And if we can have a strong entry from the buyers, we will be experiencing a strong explode in favor of the buyers, and that will be taking the price in the upward direction. So since we can, I think we should draw a trend line. We can have it on this level. So this looks pretty strong because we can see that it has been respected over here in the price in the past, and the price has also now created a new low, as you can see over here. So we can see that it is a pretty strong zone of resistance, and we can look to have a strong breakout from this trend line in the future. If we can have a strong breakout from this trend line in the future, that would be our entry. So let's continue to wait. Price has closed above this resistance level. As you can see strongly, after we have all these weaknesses around this level, you can see that the price has broken over here, or broken this resistance level on this candle. So our trade will be exactly on this candle, and you see our stop loss will be a little bit below this previous low, as you can see here. So we are using a stop loss that will be a little bit below this previous low, because you can see that this is a stop. This is a previous low, and you can see that if you follow the structure of this lower low and lower highs structure, like what the retracement phases were showing a sign of a little downtrend, you can see that this is a structure that has been broken on this trend line. And you can see that if we have a structure broken like this, as I have always explained when I trade the binary options market, you will see that each time a structure is broken, something else is supposed to be happening. So since we are having that this structure of this trend line has broken, then this new low is supposed to now be a low, and then we are going to be having higher highs and higher lows and higher lows. This low now will be a very strong zone, and it should not be broken at any cost. So we are setting our stop loss to be a little bit below this low, as you can see. And we are going to increase our profit to 1 to 2, like I always trade. And you see 1 to 2 will be somewhere around this level. So now that we have all this set together, we are going to wait to see what happens at the end of this trade. And at the end of this trade, I'm going to explain again the reason why I have placed this trade, so you can learn and also apply the same when you decide to trade. So sit back, relax, and let's wait. So guys, you can see that the price has currently hit our take profit level, and you can see that this is a very, very beautiful setup, and it is a very beautiful win as well. So now let me explain again the reason why I placed this trade. The first thing when I came into this chart, the first thing I observed was I tried to draw I tried to understand what was actually going on with the trend, if we're having a downtrend or we're having an uptrend. So if you look clearly, you will see that this is a very strong uptrend situation, because we are having the price creating higher highs and higher lows. So having confirmed that this is a very strong uptrend situation, the next thing we are going to wait is to try to wait to see the price to cool off for some time. And then when we came, the price was somewhere around here. The price came to this level, this previous high, and it started to retrace back to creating lower lows and lower highs. Now the next thing to do after you find out the price retracing is to try to draw a trend line, which will be our potential entry point if we have the trend line broken in the future. So having confirmed that the price will be tracing back, the next thing is to draw this trend line and then to wait for a point where the price will break this trend line. And you can see that the price has broken this trend line on this candle, as you can see over here, and that was my entry point. And having confirmed that this is the current low right now, and since this price is now going in favor of the buyers, we should understand that this previous low will be unable to break for some time, because we are capitalizing on the shortest move of the price. Since we are actually scalping, this is not a trade that's going to run for a lot of hours. This is just going to run for a period of minutes, because we are trading over the 1 minute time frame. And then we can set our stop loss to be a little bit below the previous low. As you can see, that what we have on this level, and then our take profit can be the ×2 or the double of whatever we are risking on this trade. So you can see that the stop loss, the take profit level was a little bit 1 to 2, as I have set on this level, and you see that the price has rose in our favor, and we ended up winning this trade. So this is everything about this trade setup. I don't know if I'm able to explain everything as I am supposed to explain. So if you find any difficulty, or you find any value in this video, or you have any questions regarding this trade setup and you want to ask, do it to drop them on the comment section. I'm very good at replying to comment on the comment section. So if you are still new to the channel and you're here to subscribe, do it to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sessions. If you find any value in the video, don't forget to also hit that like button, just so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in content like this. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you again next time. But then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.